going to learn some fun Spanish words together. The sister shows her brother a flashcard. She says, "This is an apple." In Spanish, we say manzana. Her brother listens carefully. Man-za-na! He's a little unsure, but he's trying hard. His sister smiles and encourages him. She hands him a shiny red apple. He remembers the word and says proudly, "Manzana!" His sister claps and cheers. Muy bien! Now they learn more words together. Puppy, Perro, a house, Casa, and the sun, sol. Finally, the boy says his first Spanish sentence. La manzana es roja! His sister hugs him and says, "Muy bien, hermano!" They both laugh and celebrate. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like,